Hi everyone, welcome to Acharya Mathematics. It always seems impossible until you visit Acharya Mathematics. I hope you have seen my previous videos. In case you are not seen, please go through it. Dear students, in today's class we discuss question number 11 of exercise 10.1. The first we read out the question. The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line if tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. Find the slopes of the lines. So what is given here? The slope of one line is double the slope of the other line. Means there are two lines are there. See here, there are two lines are there. Okay, if slope of one line is double the slope of the other line, so suppose we take it as m1 and m2 be the slopes of the two lines, and if we take m1 as m, then m2 becomes twice of m, like this. Okay, let m1 and m2 be the slope of the two lines. Given that if slope of one line is double the slope of the other, for the time being I take it as a slope of one line as m, then slope of other line becomes 2m. So that I have taken here m1 and m2 be their slopes. Given tan theta is equal to given 1 by 3, angle between them, tangent of an angle given 1 by 3. We take m1 equals m, then m2 equals to m, and we know that we have a formula to find the tangent angle between two lines is given by tan theta equals modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Then you substitute in place of m1 is m and m2 is 2m. So m minus 2m, 1 plus m into 2m. So that is equal to m minus 2m gives minus m divided by 1 plus 2m into m is 2m square. Here given the tan theta equals 1 by 3 I have written here. Next, on removing the modulus sign, we get plus or minus sign. You write here plus or minus 1 by 3 equals, you write as it is inside the modulus sign, minus m divided by 1 plus 2m square. To calculate m, we take one time 1 by root 3, 1 by 3, and next time minus 1 by 3. So first I take it as take 1 equals take 1 by 3 equals minus m divided by 1 plus 2m square. Okay, next on cross multiplying, we get 1 into 1 plus 2m square equals 3 into minus m. On simplifying, we get 1 1s are 1, 1 into 2m square equals minus 3m. Okay, then 2m square, it becomes minus 3m becomes plus 3m when we take from RHS to LHS, and plus 1 equals 0. 2m square I am going to split here 3m as 2m plus m, and I have written plus 1 as it is. Next we take 2m as a common factor, then 2m into m plus 1 plus m plus 1 equals 0. Next I take here m plus 1 is a common factor, then 2m plus 1 left over. That is either 2m plus 1 equals 0 or m plus 1 equals 0. That is equal to, on simplifying, we get m equals minus half or m equals minus 1. Okay, so here what we got it here, m is minus half or minus 1. It means that slope of the one line is either minus half or minus 1. Then we find the slope of the other line. I mean that we have to find out what happens if m is minus half, then the other slope. When m equals minus 1, what happens the other? Okay, see here, we take the next one more case is here, that is we have taken 1 by 3 is over. Next we take here minus 1 by 3. Now we take minus 1 by 3 is equal to, I am equating this modulus sign, minus 1 by 3. Okay, minus 1 by 3 equals minus m divided by 1 plus 2m square. Again cross multiplying, we get minus 1 into 1 plus 2m square equals 3 into minus m. Next, multiplying by minus sign. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 2m square equals minus 3m. Or here 2m square multiplying by minus sign. So minus term becomes plus 2m square, and this is plus m plus 1, and minus 3m becomes plus 3m. Next, that is equal to 2m square minus 3m plus 1 equals 0. 2m I am going to take here. First I am going to write here minus 3m as minus 2m and minus 1m. Next I take 2m as a common factor, m minus 1 left over, minus I take minus a common factor, m minus 1. Yes or no? Minus into plus is minus m, minus plus 1. Next again, here we have minus, here 1. Okay, so that is equal to 2m minus 1 into m minus 1 equals 0. Next, we have to equate this one. Either 2m minus 1 is equal to 0 or m minus 1 equals 0. On simplifying, we get m equals half or m equals 1. So what we got it here? So here m may be either minus half or minus 1, or m equals half or m equals 1. Got it here? M equals minus half or m equals minus 1, or m equals half or m equals 1. So here we have to find in all these four cases what happens the slope of the other line. Okay, got it here? So here we take one by one. We take case 1. What happens when m equals minus half? When m equals half. So here when m equals minus half means that is equal to m1 is minus half. So m2 is 2 times of m. That is equal to 2 into minus half. That is equal to minus 1. So it means that when m equals minus half, then m2 equals minus 1. Okay. Okay. Next we take second case. You take m as minus 1. Means m means m1 equals minus 1. Then m2 equals, by substituting in place of m equals minus 1, we get m equals, that is minus 2. That is means m2 equals minus 2. When m1 equals minus 1, m2 is minus 2. Case 3. We take it as m equals half. When m equals half means slope of the first line m equals half, then slope of the other line is m2, that is equal to, we have taken to that given 2m. Substituting m1 equals half, we get on simplifying 1. So it means that when m equals half means m1 equals half, then m2 equals 1. Okay, the next last case is we take m equals 1. M equals 1 means the slope of the first line is 1. Then we need to find slope of the other line. Then m2 equals 2m. Substitute m equals 1, we get 1. So it means the slope, if slope of the first line is 1, then slope of the other line is 2. Okay, got it here? So thus we get the 4 different answers. It means that slope of the first line is minus half, then slope of the other line is minus 1. This is the case 1. And if slope of the first line is minus 1, then slope of the second line is minus 2. So this is the second case. Next, if slope of the first line is half, then slope of the other line is 1. This is the third case. Next, the last case is if slope of first line is 1, then slope of the second line is 2. So thus we got it. There are 4 different answers. It means that minus half and minus 1, or minus 1 and minus 2, or half and 1, or 1 and 2. Okay, I hope you got it. Yes or no? Okay, thank you for watching.